Okay, students, let's look at how to grow a plant from a seed. Grow plants from a seed. Step one. You're going to take your seed and you're going to place your seed inside of a wet napkin. Now remember, the napkin must be wet. And you must place your seed inside of a wet napkin. This is very important because the seed has to germinate. Remember, the seed has that hard protective coating on the outside, so therefore it must germinate, open up in order for the root to come out. In the next step, basically take your seed that has germinated with a root, and it's going to look something like this. Here's the seed. It's going to open up a little bit, and you're going to see this little small root that looks like that. In most cases, it's going to be a white kind of color. That's the root. You're going to place that inside of your pot with your soil. So here's your seed. Place your seed with the root, and make sure that your root is pointing down inside of your pot for your plant. Now it takes about a good week or two for that seed, for the roots to start taking in nutrients from the soil and water. Okay, so I'm going to put on here add water, of course. And then, of course, students, you need to add your soil. Okay, and then in about 1 week, you should observe and you will see your plant. Now, this project is going to be due in approximately 2.5 to 3 weeks. The week after we finish our ELC is when I would like to really see your plants. So if you guys have any questions, please see me. For my project, I decided to use pear seeds. So I ate a pear, and if you look on the left-hand side, this particular picture here shows the seed inside of the embryo sac. So I actually removed the seeds from the embryo sac, and then ultimately I planted them, well, not planted them, but I put them inside of this particular napkin. I wet, of course, I did wet the napkin to ensure that the seeds are exposed to moisture, and I'm just waiting for them to basically germinate, and I'm looking for the root, and when that occurs, then I'll plant it inside of a pot. I put the napkin inside of a plastic bag so that, of course, the moisture can be retained and those seeds can germinate within the next 2 days. I'll check my project within the next 2 or 3 days to see if the seeds actually germinated, and when they germinate, I'll plant those inside of a small pot with soil. It is time for you to start your project. You may use any type of seed that you would like. Bean seed, you can use orange, pear, peach. You can use any type of seed that you would like, but your job is to grow your plant from a seed and bring your plant in to class and basically explain to the class what did you learn about plants. And good luck.